GP and NPP.
Nongpoh MLA and the chairman of the Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board, Miralborn Aim, has acknowledged that there is a shortage of doctors and nurses at Nongpoh Civil Hospital. However, efforts are on to have more equipment at this district hospital. Aim further said that very soon an operation theatre will be made operational at Nongpoh Civil Hospital. The 100-bedded civil hospital now has a centralized oxygen plant. The Nongpoh MLA also spoke about the maternal and child health hospital, which will come up soon in Ribhoi district.
In the past also, with regards for more equipments that has to be set up within civil hospital, where the trauma center also, now the work is on to have a proper operation theater, the OT, blood bank we already have. So we understand this also will cater for the emergency cases that will happen within the district. At the same time, with regards to other issues which is there within the civil hospital itself, before we don't have the centralized oxygen plant. Now we are happy that the centralized oxygen plant has been in place for all the 100 beds.